So you connect with your partner and music. Follows, if the lead is off the timing, you have to follow that timing that we got going on. Yes? Because if not, if you try to go to the music, you guys be at different frequencies. Some of you guys might be faster than the others, and so by the time the lead is going to give you a move, they might jank your arm because you're not synchronized. Yeah. So next week we're gonna really connect with the music. See. Not just your partner, but connect with the music. So with your partner, how do you connect? Frame. Frame. And then being there in the moment together. Doesn't matter if it's music or not. With music, it's a plus plus. Without the music, especially for the follows, you're gonna have to adjust, right? Because the lead has to keep up music, space awareness, and you have your follow with you. Follows, you just have to pay attention to the lead. If you see that someone is coming behind you, you can also pull. Yeah, you can also, help us. But at least we have to pay attention to what's around us, our surroundings, so we don't throw the follow to the next couple.